The power supply is the heart of your PC. If you choose the wrong power supply, your computer may experience blue screens, shutdowns, or even burn out the motherboard and CPU. How to choose the perfect power supply for your build? 1. Rated power. Power isn't about higher is better or smaller saves money. The right fit equals stability. The rated power you need equals the sum of the CPU power multiplied by 1.5 plus 100W. These are the power of some popular CPUs and graphics cards on the market. For example, if you're using an Intel i5-14600KF CPU and an RTX 5060 graphics card, a 650W power supply is more than enough. 2. Power supply efficiency. Power supply efficiency refers to the power supply's conversion rate. The higher the 80 plus certification rating, the higher the power conversion efficiency. 80 plus is divided into 6 levels, with conversion efficiency increasing step by step. White, basic, functional, for entry builds. Bronze, best value for everyday use. Gold, superior energy efficiency and stability. Platinum and titanium, premium choice for high-end enthusiasts. For most users, bronze and gold certifications are more than sufficient for daily use. 3. Fully modular vs non-modular. Fully modular power supply. All cables can be organized as needed, offers high expandability and a cleaner, more aesthetically pleasing look. Non-modular power supply. Cables are fixed, offers high cost effectiveness,